Today we will be showing you how to replace a magazine in an HPE MSL6480 tape library. This replacement will not require downtime. We will cover the replacement for both the left and right side magazines, as well as the mail slot portion of the right side magazine. If you need to order a replacement left side magazine for your MSL6480 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 723578-001. If you need to order a replacement right side magazine for your MSL6480 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 723579-001. If you need to order the replacement mail slot portion of the right magazine for your MSL6480 from the Rocket Platform website, please use part number 723577-001. Please note, though downtime is not required, it is best practice that while replacing a magazine in the library, we recommend putting any new jobs on hold, as the robot will not be able to move media while the magazine is removed from the library. First, you will need to identify where the magazine you need to replace is located. If you have only a control module chassis, you will only need to determine if it is the right or left side magazine that is faulty. Additionally, if it is the right side magazine, you will need to determine if the problem exists in the mail slot area, which is the first column of tape slots, or the storage slot area, which is the remainder of the columns of tape slots. If the problem exists in the mail slot area, you will still need to eject the full right side magazine for replacement. However, you will only need to replace the mail slot portion of the right side magazine. If you have expansions above or below your control unit, you will also need to determine which module the faulty magazine is in. Modules are numbered from the bottom up, starting with number 1. Once you have identified where the magazine is located, you will first need to unlock the magazine for removal. To do this, use the operator panel and log in as an administrator. Then, on the main screen, hit the Open Magazines button. This will present you with a list of modules and their left and right magazines. You will need to hit the Open button for the appropriate magazine. This will unlock the magazine for removal and will be shown on screen. You can then open the magazine access door for that side and pull the magazine straight out until it is in the fully extended position. If this process fails, you will need to unlock the magazine manually. To unlock the magazine manually, you will first need to open the magazine access door. You will then need to use a small screwdriver, we recommend a flathead, to push the bar in on the outside of the magazine. This will trip the release, and while you have the bar pushed in, you will be able to pull the magazine out from the unlocked position. You can then release the bar and pull the magazine all the way out until it is fully extended. When you have the magazine in the fully extended position, you will want to remove all tapes from the magazine prior to removing the magazine from the library. Once you have all the tapes removed, you are now ready to release the magazine from the guide rails so it can be removed. To do this, you will need to look on the back side of the magazine. Here you will see two small red release sliders. You will need to slide both of these forward and then pull the magazine out and towards you. This will release the magazine from the rails and allow it to be completely removed from the library. Now, if you are replacing the mail slot portion of a right side magazine, you will also need to remove that portion from the magazine and then replace it before sliding the magazine back into the library. To do this, you will need to locate the small mail slot release lever on the back side of the right magazine. Hit the lever while pulling the handle of the magazine forward, and it will detach the mail slot from the rest of the right side magazine, and you can set it to the side. Then you will need to get the replacement mail slot portion and carefully line the mail slot portion up with the guides on the right side magazine. You can then push the mail slot portion in until it clicks into place on the right side magazine and it is complete and ready to install. Now you can install your replacement magazine into the library. Line up the rear guides of the magazine with the rails in the library that the magazine slides in on. Once you have everything lined up, you can carefully push the magazine straight into the library on the rails. However, do not push the magazine in all the way, as that will unlock the magazine, causing you to need to unlock it again to insert all your tapes. Once the magazine is securely on the rails, load your tapes into the magazine, and then you can slide the magazine all the way into the library and close the magazine access door. The library will now inventory the magazine and should go back to a full ready status. Once this is complete, your library is ready for production. We recommend doing a full inventory of the library from your backup software so that it has the most updated locations of all tape cartridges in case any were moved from the original slots in the magazine. Any questions about backup software and inventory process should be directed to your software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues installing replacement magazines, or you are having errors after the replacement, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.